students, I am Aisha Bhatt. Today I am here with a new video and the video about reading. Today I will tell you about how can we read a story, and we will read a story from our reader's book. So we will start our reading from Vivian. We will revise the jolly phonic sounds because sounds are a very important part for a good reading. They are all sounds, but we will revise few sounds. So, revise with me. S, s, e, e, mm, mm. B, b, e, e, u, j, sh, ow, ju. After this, we will move on to our today's story, and the name of the story is Looking for Snake. But before start the reading, I will discuss about some rules for good reading. So there are some rules for reading and we should follow these rules. And number 1 is, first of all, look at the pictures carefully. Number 2, make a story in your mind. Number 3, try to tell your story in one sentence. Number 4, start telling the story picture by picture. And the last one is, when you make your story, your reading will be interesting. Now, we will start our reading, so let's start the reading from page 78. First of all, look at this picture and think about what is going on in this picture, and you can see that there is a bee. But the question is that what are the bee doing in this picture? I hope you have made your own story in your mind after looking the picture. Now the reading will be interesting. So let's start reading. Bee counts to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But why bee counted? To know the answer of this question, we will move on to the next page. Now, what are you watching in this picture? We are again watching a bee. So, let's read these lines to know that what is going on. Then she starts to look for snake. Snake has hidden. Okay, now we have searched our answer why bee counted. Bee counted because bee looks for snake. Bee and snake play a game. Now we will move on to page 80. Again look at the picture and create a story in your mind. After this we will read these lines. Is he in the sandbox? Bee looks under the bucket. Okay, now the bee looking for snake in the sandbox, but snake is not there. Come to the next page. Read these lines and try to know what is the bee doing on the tree. Is he up the tree? Bee flies up and looks at the tree top. Now the bee looking for snake on the tree, but snake is not there. Move on to the next page. Start reading. Now look at this picture and you are watching that bee looks on the roof, but snake is not there. Read these lines. Is he on the top of the shed? Bee looks on the roof. Not here. Keep at it. Not there. Come to the next page. Is he under the shed? Bee looks in the darkness under the shed. Not here, not there. Now you are watching that bee looks under the shed, but she does not find out the snake. So this is the first half of the story. and you have watched that bee and snake are playing a game, and the game is hide and seek. Bee looks for snake in different places, but she is not find out the snake yet. Now we will continue our reading. So come to the page number 84. Look at this picture. There is a garden. You can see a lot of flowers, tree and bee in this picture. Now read these lines. Bee lands on the ground and looks around. Bee looks for snake in the garden, but snake is not there. Now we'll move on to the next page. Snake has hidden in a pot. He peeks out to look for bee. There he is. You can see that snake is in the pot. Come to the page 86. Bee is still looking around. Snake pops back and keeps still. Move on to the next page. Read these lines. Bee looks. Was that a flash of red? She thinks. Aha! Shh! Snake keeps as still as he can in the pot. Now you can see that bee thinks there is a flash of red, but snake is hidden again in the pot. Now come to the page number 88. Look at this picture. You can see that bee is hidden in flower pot to catch up the snake. Snake comes out from pot because it's too hot. Now read these lines. Then he peeps up from the pot again. Come to the last page of this story. Read these lines. There you are, wise bee, wanting to snake, found you. At last bee finds out the snake. Now our reading has completed. After this I will tell you about blending. Now I will tell you how can we read difficult words, and we will read these words through blending. Here are some difficult words and we will start to blend these words. The first word is hidden. Hidden. This is a syllable word and we will read this word into two parts. Hidden. Hidden. Sandbox. This is also a syllable word and we will read this word into two parts. Sandbox. Sandbox. Third one is bucket. Bucket. Read this word into two parts. Bucket. 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 Darkness. 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 This is also a syllable word. Next one is looking. Looking. Look in. Look in. Looking. And the last word is pointing. Pointing. We'll read this word into two parts. Pointing. Pointing. Now read these words into two parts because these words are syllable words. Now we will discuss about question and answer. And the first question is, what game are bee and snake playing? And the answer is hide and seek. Next question is, why does bee fly to the top of the tree? Answer is to look for snake. And the last question is, where has snake hidden? And the answer is in a pot. Now, I will give you a task. I will give you some questions related to your story. You will discuss these questions with your parents, brother, sister, etc. And your task is here. Why does snake try to keep very still? And next one is, how does bee find snake? So I hope you will like this video. So keep watching this video. This method of reading is very helpful for your children. Students will enjoy to read from this method. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.